Hi everyone and welcome back. Today I'm sharing Mom's Tamarind Chutney or Tambran Chutney. This is my mother-in-law's way of making this popular chutney, and I have to tell you guys, it's amazing and it's so simple with a few ingredients. We're going to start by making a green seasoning. So I have garlic, hot pepper, pimento pepper and shadon beni. We're going to blend that until it's nice and fine. Set that aside. Now we're going to take about 20 pods of sour tambran and we're going to soak it with some hot water. You want enough hot water so it's completely submerged. Leave this to soak for about half an hour, and then we'll go in and finish up the recipe. So once it's finished soaking, we're going to add salt. Now you can add salt to your taste preference. You can wait till you finish and then adjust the salt in the end. In goes the green seasoning that we made. You can put 1 to 2 tablespoons. Feel free to put as much as you want. And using your hands, you're going to start rubbing the pods in your hands, and it's going to release that pulp that's on it. Once that happens, I'm going in with sugar, mixing that in. Make sure it melts properly. Taste and adjust your sugar and your salt, and then it's ready to be enjoyed. Quick, simple and easy, and it's great with some hot Pholourie. So I hope you guys give this a try. See how simple and easy it is. I promise you, you all will love it. So let me know what you think. Thank you all so much for joining me today, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.